Platycerium, Stockhorn fern, is placed here on the trunk of the palm. It's a Southeast Botanical Gardens on Okinawa on November 19. So this exposition includes many different pantropical plants, like this Platycerium. And a very nice case to show you how leaves are working in Platycerium case. So front leaf of fern is a front. It's not exactly the leaf. It's something in between stem and leaf. For example, you can see that leaf photosynthetic front is dichotomously branching, actively branching. It's not typical for leaves of seed plants. Anyway, fronds of ferns are very frequently dimorphic. One of case of dimorphism between ferns fronds is that one fronds are making spores and other fronds are just vegetative, photosynthetic fronds. However, this one is a different dimorphic type. So this frond is both photosynthetic and sporic. This is exactly photosynthetic now, but sometimes on the back side of that frond there will be sporangia covering like a very tight brown part of this back side of the leaf. But this one is different. So some leaves are going out and will branch and make photosynthetic tissue. But some leaves will try to grow as close as possible to the trunk of the tree. The plant is epiphytic and it typically sits on the bark, and then these like kind of flat leaves will try to put the plant as close to that bark as possible. So the very tight space between the bark and that flat leaf will be slowly filled with some kind of trash. So that plant accumulates trash, and that trash will supply it with kind of substrate for growing. So roots of Platycerium will develop inside. So you can say that Platycerium will make its own pot. So it's self-potting fern. A fern which makes the kind of idea of how you can place other plants on trunks. So you can frequently see in botanical gardens pots on the walls on the trunk with multiple different plants. But this one does not need any. It makes it itself. Thank you.